Good afternoon, students. Wanted to take a minute and talk to you a little bit about the locker rooms and getting your stuff claimed from the locker rooms. Just wanted to double check, and I'm asking all students to please tell me what your locker number is. We're going to share out all of the lockers that have information or have stuff in it, and then I'm going to ask you to respond to this assignment on Google Classroom, and then you can claim that. We'll box it up and bag it with the rest of the stuff that we got out of your lockers, and then we're going to get that to you here hopefully by Friday is kind of our goal. So with that, we'll begin. Again, this is the boys' locker room, and I'm going to ask, so this is locker number 1. And,
it's just some deodorant and
deodorant and something like that. Locker number 2. Locker number 3. And again, we're asking you just to tell us what locker number you have. So here is locker number 15. Okay. Locker number 18. It's got stuff right there. Locker number 19. Excellent. Locker 21. Okay. Locker number 22. Locker number 23. Okay.
No, that's
Jackson Van Beek, it looks like. Locker 25. Couple of just pair of shoes. Locker 26. Awesome. Locker number 28. Just a pair of shoes. Locker 29, Noah. Nishal. Locker 30. Okay. Locker 34, pair of shoes. Locker 36.
Then what else?
Okay. Locker 38, clothes and some shoes. Locker 41. Okay. Locker 46. Excellent. Thank you. Locker 52.
It's the babe.
Okay. Locker 54. Locker 55. Okay. Locker
Nothing.
okay, 63 it looks like is next. Excellent. 61 has a big long lock on it. And some red something or other. Locker 65. Okay. Then we go on to locker 69. Okay. Locker 70.
This looks like Costers, Shane.
Coster 70. We got that one. Or 71, excuse me. 73. Whose is that? 76. 76 we're looking for.
A lot of padlocks on
Yep,
these.
and we if we know whose they are, that's one thing. So this is locker 82.
Here's a shoe.
Okay. Locker 86. All right. And then this is locker 95. Excellent, thank you. Locker 96. Okay.
It went black. Okay.
We're still recording. Locker 97. There it is. Good job. Locker 99.
Just a babe.
Just a bag. Locker 100. Whose is that?
It's like a
Jacket.
jacket. I don't think there was any.
Switch.
These were all empty.
Okay. All right. So kids, boys specifically, I need you to tell me what locker yours is in a response to this assignment. I need you to do that today so that we can get things boxed up and sent to you. Also, have some lost and found stuff. If anything of yours, that's yours, please claim that. Otherwise, get the word out and tell your friends to respond when they know which locker each of these are in the boys' locker room. Thank you very much.